Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Are your apps on the home screen in a disarray? If you aim to tidy up and optimize your home screen layout, I'll walk you through the steps of organizing and arranging your iPhone screen with AnyTrans. Please launch AnyTrans on your computer. Connect your iOS device via USB cable. Please wait some time to load the device data. Once the data is loaded fully, navigate to the Home Screen Manager feature. Click on the Arrange Home Screen option. Here, you can choose different ways to classify and arrange your app icons on the home screen according to your preferences. After arranging your home screen, you can preview the changes by clicking the Preview button. Once you are satisfied with the layout, sync the changes to your device by clicking the Sync to Device button. You can also drag or drop to arrange your apps or delete the unneeded app.